My skillet is preheated to 450 degrees. I want to just show you this again. You've already seen it, but here's our surface thermometer. It's just a smidge over 450, but that's okay. I want to show you what the flame looks like on this burner, just to give you an idea if you're evaluating this at home. Doing it yourself, it's a pretty low flame, really. I'm gonna pull my surface thermometer out of here. I've got some chicken breasts ready to go that we're gonna cook. Trick here, as I've mentioned in my writing, pan is hot. You wanna have your chicken ready to go. I add my oil. Don't need to heat that oil, but I do like to swish it around and coat the pan, just enough to coat. Then immediately follow with the chicken. We got a good amount of smoke there, but you can see this is not an inferno. No flames dripping out of the pan, but we've got a nice sear going on here. I don't know if you just saw that, but instantly I was able to move that chicken. It didn't stick.